In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Sounds and Haptics. Then scroll to tap on Haptics here and apply one of those options for your ringtones and alerts. Always play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. Wherever you decided, tap on the best option for you and go back. Now you can select ringtone, tap on haptics at the top and adjust them by tapping on synchronize, selecting one of those patterns, or tapping on create new vibration, tapping it here, and when you finished, tapping stop at the bottom right corner. To listen to it, tap at the bottom left one. To record it again, click at the bottom right one, redo it and do exactly the same. And when you're done, hit save at the top right corner. Then name your vibration however you want to and choose save. To apply it, click on it, and to get rid of it, hit edit at the top right corner and tap on remove button next to any custom vibration pattern you wanna delete. Confirm your choice on the right and save your changes by tapping on the check mark at the top right corner. Now you can click on none if you want to, that's the last option here, if you wish to disable vibration for a chosen section completely. When you go back, you can do exactly the same to all of those other sections. Last but not least, click on keyboard feedback and disable or enable haptic thanks to this switcher, and use this switcher next to system haptics to manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!